Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. This is Dean Ashton, and today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the light blue hull sides. It does have the chrome Whaler graphics, which are raised. The boat is going to come with the galvanized trailer. We've powered the boat with the 44-stroke Mercury. You do have the teak inlays on the swim platform with a swim ladder. Boat is outfitted with a black bimini top. You have a full width bench seat with cup holders. At the helm, the boat is equipped with the dash applique and the windshield. Walking up to the bow, we've also optioned this boat out with the white rub rail with the stainless steel insert. You have an anchor locker in the bow. Another look at the windshield, and that is a lockable storage compartment. And another quick walk around. It's a real quick look at our 2020 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. If you'd like to see this boat or any of the other Whalers we have in stock, ask for me, Dean Ashton. I'll be happy to help you out.